Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is Monday, March 25th when I'm recording this. And remember, we actually have a shortened week. Friday, the market is closed for Good Friday, so only a 4-day trading week. Hope you guys enjoy that. Anyway, I just did a curated piece that we're going to put up on our YouTube channel and our X for Twitter. And basically, it's about how do politics impact the market. And the easiest topic right now, and the reason that we're bringing this up, is the cannabis industry. So did anybody notice that cannabis was exploding last week? Okay. Well, what was the reason? Part of it is that Kamala Harris and Fat Joe are getting together, and they're talking about trying to get the DEA to lower the schedule of restriction and resistance, class hazard schedule for cannabis. Okay, so basically, it's still really, really high up there as considered a dangerous drug, when really it should probably be something less than that. And then another thing, there's still a lot of talks about banking. So if we look here. There it is. So banking. I was actually kind of part of the cannabis industry in Arizona years ago when they were trying to get it legalized. And the hardest part about it was they were trying to figure out, like, okay, so we can create a business, but we can't actually take money. We can't do credit cards. We can't actually have a bank account because it's not federally legal. So that's kind of one of those things that they're trying to work on. And if they can just make it federally legal or not illegal, something like that, then the banking services, the financial industry can get involved with cannabis and help make it a little bit more legitimate. Same thing with declassification of it. So that is why that they have started going up. And so if we look at CGC, there was a pretty big move. Okay, that's a pretty sizable move. But as I was saying on the piece, the curated piece is, if you zoom out, is it really doing anything? No. Okay, you didn't really miss anything. You missed a news bump. And we'll have to see if this actually turns into something more legitimate. But for now, I'd be careful. This was a run-up. It's a little extended. We'll see if it can, I would say watch for it to pull back. Because so far, all of these other bumps that we've had, Congress says this, something else is coming out, they're going to change this. Like, there have been a lot of topics to where they've been trying to do something with cannabis. And it's popped the industry, but they've all fizzled. So just be careful until we actually see a little bit more legitimacy coming from it. But that being said, there are some that are at least doing okay. MSOS is an ETF. And you can see it's put in higher lows, so it's trying to trend up. We did take a really nice trade several weeks ago, maybe a couple months at this point, but we traded it right through here. It was a really awesome, pretty easy trade. And you can see we got out, and now we're just kind of waiting to see if this is going to become something more. But not everything is looking great. ACB... still, popped a little bit, but look at this whole thing. It's just still basically it's making lower lows. So the cannabis industry is still something that is challenging, and right now, nothing to buy and hold. This is get in, get out, make your money if you find the opportunity, but nothing like this. You can even see the last time that some news thing came out, look at that big bump up like that, big volume, and it went nowhere. So just be careful out there. Don't feel too much FOMO, like you missed out on something, because really you didn't. These things moved for a couple days, and I think that they're going to fade for a little bit. So I just wanted to bring you guys attention to that. And other than that, we're having a good week. So we're pretty happy. We're kicking this 4-day week off just fine. Market is still bullish, amazingly. I've been looking for a pullback. It's not happening. And as long as everything is still working out, pick your right stock and enjoy the market out there. So we are. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.